Oof. That ain't good. Anything over there?
Rocks.
Well, yeah, there's rocks. Dumb.
Fuck.
Alright. Let's keep going. We gotta go under that fence. Damn it. I'm not even gonna try that. Get all wet. I've been shocked by one of those before. It's cow shit. Yeah, drop my phone. Go ahead, get over it. Yeah. I have bad experience doing that. Get shocked on the thigh. And there's someone over there.
Yeah, how much room do you got in your book bag?
Why? Not enough. Not enough for your jacket. What is that? Oh, it's a branch. Alright, let's see if we're near the thingy. So, I don't think the phone's gonna pick that up. But the railroad goes right through over there, through their property, it looks like. But it goes behind that creek, I think. I'm reading this correctly? There's two of them. We're right in between both of them.
I think that one's a safer bet.
Because one goes through the woods and one goes through that property. So we'll head to the woods and not through their property. Yeah. And keep going back here. Guy over there is watching this.
On the orange thing?
Yeah. You can go under. Shouldn't have worn shorts.
What? What's that?
Riders. Clickers.
Oh, you got cat shit on your knee.
No.
Cow poop on your knee.
Let's go over to this tree. Bang, bang.
I don't know if you can deliver that.
No, I was just walking on it.
Oh shit, so I didn't know what to do.
Yep. I think it's just an old deer stand. Except for that hole. Yeah, that's an old deer stand. There's another one over there. Ooh. Maybe. Let's see what's over this way. And just prickers everywhere. Alright. You're a chainsaw.
Yeah, cedar bar. Yeah, giant cedar bar. Dude, this is a whole track.
Huh?
This is a whole track. Oh, there's water in it.
Yeah, there's water right there. Man, what a mess.
Huh?
What a mess. Alright. So make it through here. I think that there's a creek over here. Ooh. Ground's all wet. Tree stand. Something's over there. It's probably a deer. Trail through here. The trail through here. The deer print. Another tree stand. We've got 4 so far. And the creek right over here. There's another tree stand. Perfect. I'm slipping. All right.
Yeah, right under my fingernail.
Walk over in the grass for traction. Across that tree. Across right here. Purple chair. Think you can do this?
My balance ain't very good, but
I noticed. My shoes have mud on the bottom of them. Oh shit.
maybe did you get that GoPro wet?
It's waterproof.
Oh my god. Yeah, a fucking log just rolled under me.
See, my shoes have mud on the bottom of them. They're slippery. Alright, here we go. Step over it.
above my balance.
Yeah.
Do that shit.
Jump down here. It's 2 tree stands. What's that, six or 7 now?
Huh?
6, there's another one way up there.
That way or that way?
Let's go this way. Another trail here. Let's see what's this way. The railroad is this way, actually.
Pretty deep under that log.
Maybe we could go down there. Now we're at some rocks. I don't know. We may have to cross the water. Maybe down there there's a spot. Get out of these higher bushes.
Wet, so.
It's not that cold. It's 45 degrees.
Actually, not much cooler than cold at all.
There's so many pricker bushes.
You might not be able to walk down these dudes.
Yeah, I don't know if I can walk down there without getting ripped to shreds.
Fuck, man. Not right here.
Get to that rock over there. Oh, right in my skin. Huh?
There's a whole batch of burn hazel on that other tree.
Yeah, I hate burn hazel. It's just little pricks.
What an ant.
Yeah, let's go walk around those rocks some. I gotta clean my flesh wounds. Ugh. I might have to just get up on that highway and walk down. I don't want to do, but all right. I want to see this. And this is a good camping spot. Right in between these rocks. Wow, it echoes. This is neat. Just put a tarp over this, clean this out.
And look at how big these prickers are. I don't think we've been through this.
Yeah.
Oh, there's angle different there.
No, ain't much more over there. Oh, nice.
spot and a half.
Okay, Tim, stop.
What?
I think we can just jump down. Alright, so the abandoned railroad track is right on the other side of this creek. You can kind of see it. That's where we're heading next. Oh man, that's steep. Yeah, I'm gonna fall. All right. Ooh, I slid. I think I gotta cross right here. Dropped. Red Bull. Always Red Bull. Alright. Right here is the railroad. Well, used to be one. Could be part of it. The rail tie. Let's check the app. Let's go up a little bit more. Maybe part of a tie or something. Oh, there's just so much junk. I don't know. Right there.
Oh my god.
It's part of it. Yeah, there's more. Probably more past this tree.
What's that? That's colorful.
See some right there. Oh wait. Yeah, here's some more. Oh, look, Tim, look. Tim, here's some more. Some more. Wow. We should have found some spikes or something.
We can go on that rock. See?
Wow. That is big piece of something. It's got to be more up ahead.
That's a oddly perfect shaped rock.
Yeah, this. there.
Why is all the dirt back here so older? It's just black.
Huh?
It's just black. Why is the dirt back here like that?
I don't know. We're finding a lot of ties. Is it charcoal?
What?
I feel like charcoal. It's light. You can see it keeps going behind that business. But we don't want to go that way. There's another tree stand right there. But we don't want to go that way, so we got to go to the highway. Yeah, I was not expecting to find that.
This is pretty nice.
Timmy's just picking up sticks. Alright, now we got to get to the highway and walk all the way home. Man. Old railroad. Pretty neat. Look at that plane. Alright. Let's figure out how we're getting home.
Look at this one.
Yeah. It looks melted.